Think you've seen luxury? Think again. From golden toilets to yachts that cost more than a city, these are the 10 most expensive things in the world. Let's dive right in. Fact 1. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. This masterpiece on wheels costs 28 million US dollars, which equals 26 million euros. Handcrafted with custom features, it's not just a car, it's a moving piece of art. Fact 2. The Pink Star Diamond. This flawless pink gemstone sold for 71 million US dollars, or 66 million euros. That's more expensive than entire skyscrapers. Fact 3. The world's most expensive yacht, History Supreme. Worth a staggering 4.8 billion US dollars or 4.4 billion euros, it's covered in gold and even includes a statue made from a real T-Rex bone. Fact 4. A watch worth more than a private island. The Graf Diamonds hallucination is valued at 55 million US dollars or 51 million euros. Its face is covered entirely with rare colored diamonds. Fact 5. A pen that costs as much as a mansion. The Fulgor Nocturnus is covered in black diamonds and sapphires and sold for 8 million US dollars or 7.4 million euros. Fact 6. Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi. This painting was sold for 450 million US dollars or 420 million euros, making it the most expensive artwork ever sold. Fact 7. Antilia in Mumbai, India. Valued at 2 billion US dollars or 1.8 billion euros, this skyscraper-sized home has 27 floors, 3 helipads, and a private temple. Fact 8. A chair that could buy you a fleet of supercars. The Dragon's Chair, designed by Eileen Gray, sold for 27.8 million US dollars or 25.8 million euros. Fact 9. The Hope Diamond. This deep blue gem is valued at 350 million US dollars or 325 million euros and is surrounded by mystery, legends, and tales of curses. Fact 10. The most expensive private jet in the world, Air Force One. Valued at 660 million US dollars or 615 million euros, it's a flying fortress with missile defense and luxury presidential suites. From billion-dollar yachts to cursed diamonds, these are the most expensive things in the world. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to The Random Fact Factory for more unbelievable facts.